OUBAO Factory, Comprehensive Quality Inspection. Today I will show you our quality inspection process. The first part is the quality inspection of polishing parts. All polished parts are 100% fully inspected. Those who do not pass the quality inspection will return to the polishing workshop for secondary polishing. The second part is the quality inspection of the finished parts. QC will conduct 100% complete inspection from our surface. We will carry out a full water test on the installed products, including whether the water quantity, water pressure, and water temperature are normal, as well as anti-reflux testing and water seepage testing. We go through a rigorous inspection process to ensure stable and reliable performance of the faucet. After the product is packaged, we do a rigorous drop box test. After the angle, side, surface of many angles fall behind, we will check the product for physical damage and functional integrity. If the product is damaged in any way or does not function properly, we will improve the packaging and retest the products. Finally, the salesman will help customers spot check the products, shoot the details, and send the details to the customers for confirmation before shipment. Want to know more? Can click to follow.